Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the chief crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, here to bring you another haul, or Michael's haul to be exact. So if hauls is something that you like watching, please make sure that you stick around and keep watching. Until then, let's get at it. Okay, so now we are going to move on to my next haul, which was my Michael's haul. And I didn't get a lot of things from Michael's. However, the things I did purchase were either on clearance or deeply discounted. So I bought me a new stencil, and it says, as you can see, the home with the windmill. It's very popular. Farm life with the fence. Life is better on the farm. And then blessed is happy farm. So I did purchase those. And then I bought some farmhouse stencils. And I will be using these to do some wood burning, so stay tuned for that. I will be doing some wood burning using these stencils. Yeah, and then I bought me some more floral scissors, to cut some of the florals. This was $16.99 US, and I got it for $5.10. These large signs, I purchased the J for Joy with the Y, and then I will be using this for a upcoming DIY, and I will be having the O with a wreath in the middle for the holidays. So this will be coming up soon. Stay tuned. And I did, they were $5.49. Then they went down on clearance to $3. And then I ended up getting these for $1.49. And then I bought some of these cute little florals, fall florals, and some greenery. And this was like 60 cents for this pig. And then these were all 99 cents. 99 cents. 99 cents. And then I got this succulent here, this pig, and it was regularly priced $4.99. And I did pay $1.50 for it. So that was my Michael's haul. Now, let me know if you would have purchased these things, especially the floral pigs. I think they're cute, and you know, for 99 cents you can't beat it. And the stencils, of course, everybody uses stencils these days, and like I said, I'm going to be doing some DIYs using those stencils. So would you have purchased those? And what I don't use with the stencils, I can give to my husband to go along with his woodworking business. So that is the haul for the Michaels. Stay tuned for my Target haul. It will be short as well, and I wanted to upload the different hauls so that you can pick and choose which one you want to watch. And then I will be doing a culmination or a conglomerate of videos where I am merging all the videos into one for your viewing pleasure. So stay tuned, and if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you click on the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you each and every time that I upload a video. And until the next haul, I'll see you soon. Bye guys.